This summer I cycled, paddleboarded and hiked all the way from the bottom to the very top of Scotland, and I called it the Scottish Adventure Triathlon. I hiked the Cape Wrath Trail, a 370-kilometre long-distance walk from Fort William to the most northwesterly point of mainland Britain, Cape Wrath. It's boggy, it's midge infested, but it's absolutely incredible. And because I survived it, I thought I'd tell you how. Come on, boys. Follow Mama. Look at this, the light is just starting to hit those mountains and it looks incredible. It's actually going to be a nice day, I think. Oh my god, I don't want to leave here. Morning! I thought this would be a great time for a chat when I'm like halfway up a fern hill. Oh, there we go. On the path again. Jeez. Sun's bright, which I'm not complaining about. Oh, I'm falling. Not had much of a chat to you yet today because I'm trying to crack on, to be honest. Need to get to Ullapool ASAP. ASAP Brocky, because we don't want to miss out on facilities. Apparently, I've been speaking to some people this morning, which has also taken a bit of my time. Apparently there's a laundrette
I'm literally going to stand in that laundrette naked and put all my stuff in, not even joking. Look over here. Woohoo! I've been filming some nice little bits of scenery for you anyway, whilst I've not been talking. And yeah, headed away from bloody camera cut me off then, didn't it? I've got this setting on it which I literally only found like last week. Had this GoPro for like over a year, mind, whereby I can make it cut off after like 30 seconds or a minute or whatever, which is good for when I'm doing those walk past the camera things, because otherwise I end up filming like 2 minutes worth of footage or something when I only want like 10 seconds. So anyway, I had that setting still on. Anyway, as I was saying, waffle toffle, I left the bothy at Shenavall, headed up like a boggy path, then onto a track, and then the track takes you down to a road. You do about half a k on the road and then you turn off and it looks like you're going to someone's house. You don't go to their house, and then you turn into this field, and then I got a bit distracted by like filming the views, headed too far along the bottom of the field when I should have headed up, so I had to go back a little bit. Look at it! Oh my god, it's so good. And now I'm up here, and that's my life story. Thanks very much for coming to my TED talk. Thanks, bye. Yeah, let's crack on anyway. We need to get to Ullapool and do some stuff. Onwards! So we're just heading along this track and round and up and over, but I keep turning around because I can't take my eyes off this. I just can't take my eyes off of you. Ooh! Oh god, look at it though, it's so good. I definitely need to come back here. I just love it, man. So good up here. I'm so happy today. I'm just like, did it again, didn't we? Left the 30-second setting on. Anyway, I've still got it on now, so I'm just going to shut up and keep walking. Okay, bye. And just as you leave one mountain range, you come over the hill and you see the next. And then it dawns on you that you're going to go and walk across that next. Wait, it just keeps going and going. Love it. Kenny Ken man's been here, look. Kenny Ken, Kenny Ken, Kenny Ken, Kenny Ken, Kenny Ken, 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 Kenny Ken, Kenny Ken, Kenny Ken, Ken, Ken. If you build a Ken, your name must be Ken. Take a chance on Ken. La 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 la. Oh god. I've just had chocolate, can you tell? Don't feed me a boost. I don't use it wisely. I don't use the boost for walking. Oh god, there's loads of them. Kenny Ken, Kenny Ken, Kenny Ken, Kenny Ken. Just run, run, Kenny Ken. Run, Kenny Ken, run. Kenny Ken, Kenny Ken, Kenny Ken, Ken, Ken. If your name is Ken, you must build Kens. Thank you so much for not letting us fuck up when we're in the hills and it's all foggy. If Ken wasn't around, we'd fall in a boggy and look like a froggy. La 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 doggy, smelly cat. Vibes. So how exactly did Sarah break her ankle on the Cape Wrath Trail then? Was she, did she fall down a ravine? Was she trying to save somebody else, doing something heroic? Was it a storm that like threw her off the mountain? No, she was doing pirouettes through a boggy field to the sound of music. Right, alright, yeah, great idea. Great idea. Don't feed me a boost. I'm too excited. Too excited. Honest to God, you know when you just do something and then you think after, like, that could have been really dumb. I did it yesterday when I was filming myself having a wash at that waterfall. I went across the water to put the camera on the other side, had no shoes on, went on a rock which moved. I was really lucky I didn't trap my foot under it, to be honest. But you know, she lives to see another day. She lives to dick about in another field, so it's all good. I do need to stop being a dick though. It's not good. Down to the road which goes to Ullapool, so it's just over the bridge and then left, and then that runs all the way to Ullapool. So in celebration of getting here and in preparation for walking to Ullapool, which is 11 kilometres, we're going to have my sausage roll that I got in, where did I get it? Kinloch 2 days ago. Hopefully it's alright. And we're airing the feet out, and might pop a bit of talcum powder on those before we set off again. It's gonna be a road slog. Yay! That's good. Alright, come on. You've had a breather. Get back in there and start doing some work, will you? I gotta be honest, I don't recommend this road walk. There's bits without verges and it's scary as shit. I just had to jump in the hedge. Oh God. We've done about 3k. So when I left the bridge I was on 18k on my watch. I'm now on 21, so I think I've got about 8k to go, but we've got a nice straight road now, which is soul destroying, but also it means people can see me so I won't get killed. I can see Ullapool. It's there. Okay, back to it. Right, I've literally got about 2k left to go and I'm on the edge, not of glory. Although, I've not been so close to crying on the whole trail. Like, nothing has almost brought me to tears, apart from an 11-kilometre road walk. Honest to God, I am never, ever doing this walking on a road thing ever again. I feel like I'm going to get to the Ullapool sign and just die at the sign. I have to actually get to somewhere in Ullapool, yeah? I can't just drop dead just because I see the sign. I think it's going to happen though. Oh God. We're nearly there. Oh, thank God. Why are we going up a hill though? Ah! There it is, there it is, there it is. I'm so happy. I've made it into Ullapool. I literally hobbled through the town and I'm at the campsite. Which you can just turn up at, and it's £13 if you're just hiking in with a tent, which is quite expensive, but I literally don't care. But they've got laundry facilities, so I've literally just put like all of my clothes in the laundry. I am wearing no underwear right now. Don't know why I've just told you that. But I've chucked everything into the wash, so it's just drying, so I'm really excited about that. Obviously had a shower, and I've just been to the chip shop and like
my life is made. I asked the guy, like, is the fish and chips like big? And he was like, yeah, it's right. And I was like, right, get me something else. So I've got locally caught haddock and chips. So that would have been caught like today or something by a little fisherman. Not locally caught battered sausage and mushy peas. So yeah, there's a big Tesco's in Ullapool as well, so I'm going to go and stock up on snacks and stuff after I've ate this and then go to bed. It's been quite a long day today. I've done over 30k with the weight of a child on my back. I am really tired. So yeah, anyway, I just want to show you my food, so I'm going to eat this now and then I'll see you tomorrow.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted in a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter? Is it maybe because I never knew?
Hello. So I'm just having 5 minutes on the side of the track. I've kind of tried to crack on today. Come here. It's all fuzzy because I washed it. Yeah, I've tried to crack on a little bit today. Headed north out of Ullapool and then it's east along a long track, and shortly I'll be meeting the track that I would have come up if I'd not diverted to Ullapool, so it gets you back onto the kind of main route. But yeah, I left Ullapool quite late because I just wanted to get everything like squared away this morning. So like obviously I showered and washed my clothes and ate and all that last night, but then I needed to charge my battery packs if I had any chance of like carrying on filming and stuff. So I had to wait for everyone to go to like bed on the campsite and then sneak into the laundry room and plug one of my power banks in behind the washing machine and then try and hide it so no one robbed it, because the power banks I've got are not cheap ones, and not talking like 20 quid off Amazon, we're talking like expensive ones. So I was fully expecting someone to rob it, to be honest. But then yeah, so I plugged that in, managed to fully charge that up, but because I've only got one lead and I've got 2 packs, I got up at 4 to go back to the laundry room to swap them over so that I could charge both of them. So there was that, and then I wanted to get a new hat because it's meant to get sunny like in the next few days, and I just thought this blonde head with no hat is just not going to end well for me. So I bought a new hat and stuff. So yeah, anyway, by the time I left Ullapool, time was pushing on. So yeah, I've tried to crack on a bit. It's all kind of track today, and I really want to complete this like section so you get to Ullapool Bridge. So as soon as I meet the other track, I start heading more northeast really, and yeah, and then it goes to Ullapool Bridge, so it's like just over 30k a day, which is fine because it's all kind of track. But I think yesterday just did me in a little bit to be honest. I started out alright this morning and I've gone downhill quite quickly today. And I think it's because I did not sleep very well last night on the campsite either, because it was really noisy. There's bloody fairies that come in like through the night, and then there's like just people just loud on the campsite. Anyway, I'm just moaning today. I wasn't earlier, I was alright, I should have spoke to you earlier, but hey, this is what it is. Yeah, I've been hiking for like 3.5 hours and I've just gone like on this track, so I probably won't film that much today. I say that, but then anything could happen really. But the other thing is my pack weighs a very healthy 70 tons because I've obviously topped it all up with food now, because I've got a couple of little potential shops that I can stop at between here and Cape Wrath, but I don't hold out like any hope for them. So
I've filled up as if this has taken me to Cape Wrath kind of thing. So it's like a week's worth of food in there, probably more. So it's really heavy. So yeah, all things combined, I'm just a bit knackered today and could quite easily just put my tent up here and go to sleep, but I can't do that. So I am aiming to get to Ullapool Bridge and a little bit further, but if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. I started late, so. Also, it's gonna piss down. I checked the forecast. Yeah, it's gone really great. Checked the forecast before I left Ullapool and it said it was gonna piss down. And I've been looking and I've been like, oh, it's not, looks all right. And then I could feel this westerly wind building and building behind me. And I looked back and suddenly realised, yeah, it's coming in off the sea, isn't it? So it's coming from the west, but it's been chasing me, and I think it's just about gonna get here in a minute. So probably gonna have to bang on the waterproofs too. Which it would have been quite nice to say dry today, because like everything is dry from the campsite, but hey ho. Anyway, I'm having another 1 minute and then I'm going to start moving again. Moany, moany, moan. Oh, by the way, I bought waffles. You know, Stroop waffles? I can't be asked to get them out, I'll get them out later, but you know, Fit for Adventure, sponsored by Waffles. Stroop waffles. Didn't even do it on purpose, I just like them. Anyway, I'm going to go now, bye. This nice scenery, and then you just got this horrendous creaking bag going in the background. Just giving it some ambience. I've been wondering why that's in my head. I've been like humming it for the last 15 minutes and it must be the rhythm of like the bag creaking that's put it in my head. I've just realised. I don't think you can hear it that well on the camera actually, but trust me, it's there. Go with it. I've had some jelly babies, I'm not sure if you can tell. Shit, which way are we going? No, it's this way. That's where I would have come from if I'd have not gone to Ullapool, if I'd have come from Inverleal, I think it was called. That place that I walked from yesterday on that horrendous road. Not sure if I mentioned it. Absolutely hated it. Anyway, we've built a bridge and we've got over it. It's a nice little line of plopsicles, isn't it? Like 4 in a line, it's like a caterpillar. But it's like he started running after them ones. So he stood there and went plop, 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 plop. No, 4, plop, 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 plop. And then went, oh my God, I need a plop. And then went ploppity, plop, plop, plop. As he was running. Like all these ones. Anyway, that's my interpretation of that plop situation. Don't know what happened in this plop situation. Bad curry, I think. Anyway. I can do nothing but right now. Honestly, like the second that I passed Knock Damp, I think it's called, Bothy, it's like someone flipped a switch and it went from a nice mincy walk along a country track to a boggy, piss wet through, arm flapping, Midge fest. And I don't have my waterproof trousers on because I didn't get a chance. And I ain't stopping now because I'll get eaten alive. What is this? Well, there we are. I did have one day without rain yesterday, so you know, I guess this is what I deserve today. It's okay. This is what I signed up for. This is what I signed up for. Can you find some sheep to eat or something? Come on. A deer? Much bigger than I am. I need to use these to walk, but I use them as my midge flappers at the minute. It's so far. My feet are killing, and I can't stop because I get eaten. Midges are insane. There's no time for dicking about. We're going back to the ford, to the shallowest bit, and we're just going to go for it. Oh! No! Oh, I'm so glad I put newspaper in my boots last night to get them dry. Absolutely worth it. Not a freaking waste of time whatsoever, no. Oh, you gotta laugh, haven't you? You gotta laugh. Otherwise you'd just sit in a bog and cry. Oh, speaking of bogs. I think I've just tricked them. So I've been running, obviously, the way that I'm going, with the midges literally chasing me. Swarms keep coming, like in front, like I see them coming in my peripheral. I just stopped and turned around the other way, and I think they've carried on. They'll be back to get me now, you watch. I'm just gonna stand here and look back at the view for a bit. I need a rest. Right, they're literally following me. I don't know if you can see them. Are they there? Every time I turn around, they're there. I'm really tempted to camp here because, look, they're here. They're just going to get worse the lower I go. I'm going down to Ullapool Bridge, which is by the river. I mean, there's no wind up here, but it'd be even worse down there. And I'm really done in. Really done in. My feet are just... I'm really tempted to camp here. I'm in, I'm staying in, and I'm never getting out again. Well, not if these guys have anything to do with it anyway. Look at them! They actually weren't here before, and then it just started raining and they've all appeared. Why do they like the rain so much? Thing is, they're all on this side because the wind is on that side, so they're not really, there's none over there. And I've somehow managed to get in here without letting any in. Nailed it. So I'm not getting out at all. I've got, where is it? Oh, it's out there. Basically, I've got a Lucozade bottle, which I've cut the top off, which I just pee in and throw it out the door. I'm sure you really wanted to know that, but genuinely, if you come to Scotland in August, you need to be prepared to piss in a bottle because you ain't getting out and like with them. So anyway, I'm having my food and then I'm going to try and be asleep by like 9 o'clock. I just really want to go to sleep. I got my comfies on. I'm all ready for it. I got my feet out. Look. Woo. And I've already decided that any noise I hear tonight is a sheep because I haven't got time to be not sleeping and stuff. So regardless of whether a noise is a sheep or not, is a sheep. So yeah, rock and roll lifestyle, but I'm going to eat this and go to bed. I gotta be honest, today is the first time I've actually caught myself thinking, like, I want to be at the end. I want to be at Cape Wrath. Throughout this so far, I haven't at all. I've been like, I don't want it to end. Like, I want to stay out here forever. But today I was like, get me to that lighthouse. But tomorrow it'll probably be different. But anyway, I'm itching my midgie bites. They all went down my top. Anyway, I'm going now. Waffle. Bye. Oh, I didn't show you the waffles. Show you tomorrow. Morning, welcome to another day in the jungle. This morning we've got a spider infestation and they're all fighting. And also, obviously, the Midgie boys are in town. They've just come out. I keep thinking it's raining, but it kind of is, but it's raining midgies, not water, because they're all just bouncing around. Can you hear that? That's not rain. Oh God. In the time that it's taken me to get dressed, they've gone berserk. They've coated the entire outside of the tent. They're also in there as well, in the porch. And usually I would have either had all that stuff in here and like packed up everything in here, or they would not be in there. So I would just do it with this door open. But this morning they're in there and my stuff's in there. So I've done as much as I can do in here. So I'm just gonna have to go out there now and like finish packing up, surrounded by midgies. So obviously I've got the net. I've just put loads of smidge on to try and repel them, but I'm just gonna have to go for it. Trouble is today, there's no wind still, and I don't think it's forecast to get windy. So the worst thing is you can't have any food. Like, obviously I'm just gonna start eating snacks when I walk, but like I'm so much better when I have my breakfast and my coffee, but I just can't do it, not in this. Like, I can't. How am I gonna? I can't. I just can't. So yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. These are what they are. We just have to go and deal with it. We just have to go and deal with it. We can't sit here all the time. We just have to go and deal with it. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, they are making it really hard. They're probably the worst thing about this, if I'm honest. Don't do this in August. Just do not do this in August, for God's sake. Okay, come on. Come on. We can do this. Let's go. 3, 6, 9, the goose drank wine. I don't know why I'm bothering to do this. Help! Get the spiders out of there. Get out, spiders! Get out! That should do it. The Spiderville. Get out! Get off! Come on! Shoo! Go away! Find a new home! This is not yours! Shoo! Ah, Christ. Oh. Midges! Get off! Oh man, why? 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 Remember parachute games when you were a kid? I knew they'd come in useful. Ah, get off! I left the bloody pole bag in here. Oh, so now I've got to open it again. Get off me! Phrase of the whole trek. Get off me. It's literally been my #1 saying. Get off me! Where is the bag? God damn it, there it is. Right. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Just get in there. Just get in there. Get in. Get off me! Ah! Help me! Help me! Help me! Shit! This was a bothy. I didn't realise this was a bothy. I could see it from up there. I was only up that hill. I could have literally slept in here. Oh, what a knob. It looks nice as well. Oh, what an absolute knob. Spiders. Oh, you absolute dickhead, Sarah. This is really nice. This was literally just down from where I was. I could have slept in this. It's a really flippin' good one as well, and there's no one here. What an absolute penis. Well, I'm gonna have my breakfast in it anyway. I am kicking myself so bad. I can literally see it on the map now as well. Durag Bridge, the schoolhouse. That's where I am, boys. Why didn't I look? Oh my gosh, I would have been gone hours ago as well because I wouldn't have been fighting Midges for 2 hours this morning. Okay, we live and learn. Always check if a building is a bothy. Always check that. Always, I'm sure you would. I'm sure you would. I wouldn't though. Nope, not me. Not me, no. Right, which bit do we need neither? This bit. Fit for Adventure, sponsored by Waffles. Stroop Waffles! Oh, look at him. Little nap in the middle of the road, is it, boy? Just because they're broken, doesn't mean we can be chucking them on the floor now, does it, ladies and gentlemen? No. So we'll just take those for you, whoever you may be. Hang on, there's another bit with it. Oh my god! Yeah. You're welcome, person. That, my friends, is a bench with my name on it. Oh yeah. I'm redoing my water because when I passed that farm, I realised that the water was flowing down river to where I topped up my water by the bridge at Ullapool Bridge. And although these filters are really good, they filter out bacteria, but they don't filter out like chemicals. And they do advise that you don't fill up near like agricultural land because of like runoff. So I'm ditching that water. I mean, I've drunk a load of it, but there's nothing I can do about that now. Just hope for the best. Right, lunch. Are you ready for this? Only gone and got myself a Ginster's Way! Remember my Ginsters the other day from the biker? I don't even eat stuff like this. I don't even like Cornish pasties normally, but like, this is what the Cape Wrath Trail does to you apparently. Yeah, I bought this in Ullapool, so not yesterday, but like the night before, so it'll be 48 hours old, almost. It would be by tonight, so hopefully it's okay, but it's a Cape Wrath Trail, anything goes. I'd eat a dead slug if I had to. Right, we've got a turn here somewhere, and I'm hoping this is it. Looks like there's a faint track where people have walked before, by the looks, and oh, look at that tree. There should be some ruins, but it did say that they're difficult to spot. Maybe that wall? Don't know. Is that the ruins? Looks like a little mini person's house with a couple of Christmas trees. Oh wait, there's a big wall thing there. Maybe that's it. Seems more probable than that. There it is, look. Salaki it's called. No idea what it is, but you can look it up if you care. Okay, I decided to come and have a look. I couldn't just walk past and not see what it is. Just in case it's something exciting. That's creepy. Ooh, it is creepy, man. Oh, I don't like it. Wow. Oh, it's cold in there. Imagine if something ran out. Look, I'm in the middle of a bloody forest. These bits are not as creepy because they've got no roof. I'm okay when they've got no roof because I can see. But in there, oh, do you dare me? Do you dare me to go in? I know you're all saying yes. Trouble is, you have to be careful and stuff like, ow! You have to be careful and stuff like this because things can collapse. Oh, I'm scared. What if there's like a load of bats? Oh, I do not like it at all. What's that? Okay. I ain't going in there, you can piss off. It's got a skylight. I'm not walking up them because that ain't gonna end well. And probably walking in there is a shit idea as well, but I mean, it's been like this long enough. I'm sure it's not gonna fall now. Just don't make a lot of noise. Okay, cool, there's nothing in here, let's go. Obviously just me. Okay, that was cool. Time to go. Yep, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Jesus Christ, if I don't end up with about 70 ticks on me today, I'm going to assume it's because they were all asleep after having a big lunch. This moss is really weird. It's like an actual carpet. Like, I swear I've seen this in someone's nan's living room. You can just imagine it being a rug, can't you? No? Is it just me? Like, look at it. It's really ruggy. I was just getting to that time of day where I'm walking like something's been shoved up where the sun don't shine, especially on the downhills. My god. It's like something from Thriller. Anyway, and then I saw this and I knew exactly what was going to happen.
On a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better if I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter?
It's just gone 5, it's like 5:15. I'm gonna see if we can do another couple of hours because it's turned into a beautiful evening and like it's just a shame to waste it. So if my feet will allow, we're gonna try and keep going till about 7:30, depending on camp spots as well. So yeah, come on then, let's make a bit more progress. Is it? What an evening, man. Oh, how the tides have turned. 10 days of piss wet through. And now this. Scotland for you. What a lad. What a lad.
Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, and suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but I go without knowing. If I told you that I'm so excited that I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control and I think I like it. Woo-hoo!
I have a feeling there could be quite a nice sunset sky going on out there right now, but obviously the mini-winged velociraptors are in town surrounding me, holding me hostage in my own tent, so it's not even worth a peek. I'm not being funny, right? I was thinking this before, why don't MSR or like some tent brand and Midge do a collaboration, do a partnership thing and create some kind of spray that doesn't wreck the tent material but that repels midges? Like, surely there's quite a market for that, or like just repels bugs. Is there not? Surely there's a market for that, like not even just in Scotland, like everywhere. Maybe I'll email them. Like they'll listen to me. Yeah, so this door isn't opening until tomorrow, so I may as well go to bed. Go, you gotta try, haven't you? God loves a trier. I wish my legs were as hyper as my mouth was right now.